In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add recurring payment to Pandadoc contract. Start by opening Pandadoc and locating the document you want to work on. Make sure you are in the correct contract, because the payment settings you add will apply to this specific document. Once the document is open, look for the payment option. Click Payment and then choose Add to Document. This is the place where you attach a payment request so the signer can pay as part of the signing process. Next, you will select the payer. The payer is the person or organization that will be responsible for the recurring charge. Choose the correct payer from the available recipients, then click Setup. Taking a moment here to confirm the payer is important, especially when a document has multiple signers or contacts. After the payment setup window opens, find the payment type setting. By default, it is often set to one-time. Change the payment type from one-time to recurring. This tells Pandadoc that the payment is not a single charge, but a repeating one that follows a schedule. Now choose your payment gateway, select the gateway you want to use, and keep in mind that Stripe is required if you want automation for recurring payments. If you have multiple gateways connected, double-check that you pick the one intended for subscriptions or recurring billing. Then set the frequency and the amount. For frequency, choose the schedule that matches your agreement, such as monthly. For the amount, enter the exact recurring charge you want the payer to be billed each cycle. Be careful to match what is written in your contract terms so there is no confusion for the signer later. When everything looks correct, click Done to save the recurring payment details and then proceed to send. This will send the document with the recurring payment attached, so the payer can review, sign, and complete the payment setup in one smooth flow. That covers everything you need to know.